I'm going to be taking a slow motion video. I have a high-speed camera. It's not the one I normally use. And I might use audio from this. It's recording right now. But I'm going to use the audio for this over the slow motion. Because slow motion, when you take it, it does not record audio. And camera shut off. So I'm going to just be dropping these Legos. I'm going to be taking at 480 frames per second. This has a lower resolution, but it's fine. A lower resolution than my other one. Make it fast. Basically, it's just for this. And I'll probably try it with my other camera. My other high-speed camera. This is a Samsung TL350. My other one is a Nikon J1.